In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect n8n with GHL. By the end, you'll have a clean connection between your n8n workspace and your GoHighLevel account, so you can start automating tasks with confidence. First, open your browser and go to your n8n workspace. If you're self-hosted or on the cloud version, just sign in and head to a new blank workflow. A fresh canvas makes it easier to see what's happening as we connect things. On the empty canvas, click Add First Step. This opens the node picker, which is where you'll find all the integrations n8n can use. In the search bar, type HighLevel and select the HighLevel node from the results. This is the official connector for GoHighLevel. Adding it to the canvas tells n8n you want to talk to that platform. Next, choose the action you want this node to perform. You might pick something like fetching contacts, creating an opportunity, or updating a pipeline stage, whatever fits your workflow. The action you choose here determines which permissions you'll need, so keep that in mind for the credentials you're about to set up. Now, look for the field labeled credential to connect with and open the dropdown. This is where you tell n8n which saved authorization it should use when talking to GoHighLevel. Since we're connecting for the first time, click Create New Credential. You're creating a secure OAuth connection that n8n will store and reuse. Enter your client ID. You'll get this value from your GoHighLevel developer app configuration. Treat it like an identifier for your integration and make sure you copy it exactly to avoid connection errors. Enter your client's secret. This is sensitive and should be kept private. Paste it carefully and avoid sharing or storing it in unsecured places. Enter the scope. Scopes define what access your integration requests, such as reading or writing specific resources. Only include the permissions your workflow actually needs. If your workflow changes later, you can come back and adjust scopes to keep access minimal and secure. Click Save. n8n will store the credential and, depending on your setup, may prompt you to authorize the connection with your GoHighLevel account. Just follow the on-screen prompts to grant access. Once approved, the credential will appear in the drop-down and usually be selected automatically, linking your HighLevel node to your account. That's it. You've connected n8n with GoHighLevel. From here, consider naming your credential clearly, keep your secret secure, and choose the smallest set of scopes that gets the job done. Save your workflow, and you're ready to build automations with confidence.